Hey guys, this is Tina from Artsadd.com. In this video, I'm gonna show two pieces of the mug from our website. They are produced in our Chinese facility. We have totally three different facilities for you guys: Australia, US, and also the Chinese facilities. So this is the one of them. For the mug, we have a lot of different models for you guys. So this is one of them, and on the for the white one, you can see the pictures printed on the side with the letters in different forms. So you can put your own letters like this on the side, and this is the white one. You can also put on the other side. You can get your pictures, the face pictures, or the signature pictures, whatever you can put on your mug with our online customizer. For this one, this is the 11 O's. The sizes will have different sizes available as well. If you want to produce your mug in Australia or US factory, we have the facilities for you guys to produce it. The producing time for Chinese facility is about 1 to 2 business days, and for DHL, which is the fastest, and the service shipping way is 3 to 5 business days. Okay, so for within the week you will get your products once you order from our website. For this one, this is the red mark. You can put your pictures for all over print like this, so you have the pictures all around the mug. Well, the border of the mug is all white. It keeps the blank white colorways. Inside of the mug is all red color. It's the same sizes, 11 zones. Okay, I personally like the white one, so leave your comments which one you prefer. So we also have different models available for you guys as well, so look about the more different models here. And this is the part of our styles. You can see more. Check our website to get more different styles. For this two is for lovers as well. So yeah, this is for the Artsadd mark products. Go to our website to get more information. Okay, this is Tina from Artsadd.com. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you next video. Bye.